Hello dear students, so here I am with physics science paper 1 semester 1 examination held today. Okay, so the answer key I have already checked and I have already marked the answers in this question paper. So the answer is highlighted in green. Okay, so let us go through it and you can also check your answers whether you have done it properly or not. Okay, so let's start. Question number 1, the answer is B. I'll scroll it slowly, okay, so that you can read the question also. Question number 1, it is B, the size of a prism. Question number 2, the answer is C, the speed of light in a vacuum is 2.4 times the speed of light in the diamond. Number 3, you can read the question. The answer is C, no, as the image formed will be virtual. You can read the question. Question number 4, the answer is A. For question number 4, the answer is A. You can see the diagram. Okay, the emergent ray for this incident ray is NQ. Okay, NQ. Okay, then question number 5, the answer is C, red. The color of white light which is deviated least by a prism is red. Number 6, the wavelength range of visible light is D, 400 nm to 800 nm. Okay. Number 7, so observe the diagram which shows the path of an incident ray through an optical plane LL of a lens. The focal length of the lens is 20 centimeter. So on the basis of this, okay, on the basis of this, if the object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter in front of this lens, then the image will be real and magnified. Number 2, the type of lens can be used to correct hypermetropia. Okay, A is the correct answer. 4, an object is placed in front of this lens at the distance of 60 centimeter. Then the image distance from the lens with proper sign convention is plus 30 centimeter. Number 4, an object is placed in front of this lens at a distance of 60 centimeter. Then the magnification of this image is C, minus 0.5. Okay. Number 8, the relation between CGS and SI unit of moment of force is C. C is the correct answer. Number 9, the Coulomb raises a load upward against the force of gravity. Then the work done by the load is negative work. Question number 10, energy change during photosynthesis in plant is B, light to chemical. Then question number 11, the diagram below shows the balanced position of a meter scale. So which one of the following diagrams shows the correct position of the scale when it is supported at the center? The answer is A. Okay, okay, answer is A. Then question number 12, the stone tied at the end of the string is whirled by hand in a horizontal circle with uniform speed. Name the force required for this circular motion. The answer is B, centripetal force. Number 2, what is the direction of the above mentioned force? The answer is towards the center of circular path. Okay. Then number 13, the body of mass 20 gram falls freely from the height of 15 m. You can see when the body reaches 10 m above the ground, its potential energy will be D 20J. D is the correct answer. Number 2, the gain in kinetic energy of the body when it reaches 10 m above the ground is B. B is the correct answer. Then number 3, the total mechanical energy it will possess when it just above to strike the ground is C. Number 4, the velocity in ms with which body will hit the ground is C. C is the correct answer for number 4. Question number 14, you can read it. Correct answer for question number 14 is D 0.5. Question number 15, the single fixed pulley is used because A. It changes the direction of applied effort conveniently. Question number 16, in the diagram shown below, the velocity ratio of the arrangement is. Answer is B. B, that is number B 2 is the correct answer. Number 17, which one of the following is the correct mathematical relation? Answer is D, power equal to force into velocity. Then question number 18, select the correct option with respect to echo depth sounding. The answer is C, ultrasonic waves are used. Which one of the following diagnostic method use reflection of sound? Answer is echocardiogram. C is the correct answer. Then number 20, read it, and the answer for question number 21 is B. Children, whichever answers are highlighted in green is the correct answer. Okay. Then question number 22, the distance at which the body is standing from the wall. The answer is D. Then number 3, you can see the now for answer number 3, so B is the correct answer. Then number 4, in which of the following timings of reflection of the whistle the echo cannot be heard? The answer is A. Question number 21, the ratio of velocity of light of wavelength 400 nm and 800 nm in a vacuum is. Answer is A, 1:1. Number 22, question number 22, the answer is B. Question number 23, the light of body A and heavy body B have the same momentum. Choose the correct statement from the given option. B is the correct option. B, kinetic energy of body A is greater than kinetic energy of body B. Now question number 23 2. Question number 23 2. If the ratio of kinetic energy of A and B is 5:2, then which one of the following gives the mass ratio of the bodies respectively? The answer is C, 2:5. Question number 24. So read the diagram, go through the diagram, and on the basis of the diagram you have to answer. The angle of incidence at the surface AB is B is the correct answer, that is 47 degree. Then number 2, select the correct statement from the following. C is the correct statement. The ray at the surface AD is traveling along the radius of the curved part. Okay. Now next, number 3, the angle of incidence on the surface BC is A, that is 43 degree. Number 4, the critical angle of this material of glass is answer 43 degree. B is the correct option. Then question number 25. Diagram below shows the path of light passing through a rigid angled prism of critical angle 42 degree. So the angle C of the prism is 30 degree. Answer is C. Then question number 2, which of the following diagram shows the correct path of the ray till it emerges out of the prism? The answer is B. Okay, B, the figure given in B is correct. So hope you all have done your today's exam properly. So now focus on your future exams. So all the best for your forthcoming exams. Give your best. Whatever happened today, forget it, and now prepare for your next exam. Rest of the exams, do it properly. All the best for your future exams. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye bye.